Hello everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're a subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm hoping to motivate you to deep clean some areas around your home. We're starting off with the bathtub area. I learned this tip just a little bit ago about putting dishwashing soap into your jet tub because it's not formulated to make bubbles like regular dish soap. And it really cleans out the jets and gets the junk out of the jets because it's so high powered. If you see here, you see the gunk that came out of the jets with the dishwashing stuff. You see the nasty gunk coming out of the jets all through there. Yeah, that's why the dishwashing liquid, when you use it with the jets, it really gets the nastiness out. You see that? Then you can actually clean your tub. This is a close-up of the grout lines before. Of course, it's obviously dirty right now, but I'm gonna put the soft scrub with bleach on there and let it soak. So this is what I picked up. This is what I've been wanting to try for the floors, for the grout. So I'm just going to let it sit for a little bit and come back and see how it goes. So this is the gunk that's coming out with my scrub wire brush. You can see how nasty this grout has been. Even though I clean my floors very regularly, I guess it just all gets stuck down into that grout. Here I have already applied the soft scrub with bleach, and I went over it one time and I'm going over it again just to get a little bit more of the deeper clean and in some other areas. This is just another look at the gunk that has came out of my tile grout lines. I'm going over it again. Of course, the second time is not as bad as the first time, but it's still pretty bad. Here you will see me taking an old towel that I just used for like cleaning the floors, things like that. It's the only purpose I use them for. I am just going over my floors at this time. And then you're gonna see me take a scrub mop, which is really a deck scrubbing brush, but I like the bristles, how hard it is and how deep it gets down into my ceramic tile floors. So you will see me using that to go over the floors with some Pine Sol cleaner and vinegar as well. specifically formulated to clean flat screen TV or curved TVs. And I'm taking a microfiber cloth along that as well.
Scrub with bleach on the grout lines, and I'm going to see how well that does. I'm not specifically glad that the tiles are white. I've always kind of wanted to change that, especially the grout lines being white. It's just hard to clean. But I have tried several different cleaning products in my venture of trying to maintain that, and now I'm going to use the soft scrub with bleach and see how well it does at cleaning those grout lines. Just going to see me fluffing up my pillows, spraying disinfectant spray on my pillows and my couch areas, and I'm also taking a disinfectant wipe and wiping down my couch and love seat sectional areas. I take a disinfectant wipe and do that every day, nearly every morning, just to maintain the cleanliness that I can.
want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you who take the time out of your day to either leave a comment, subscribe, or leave a thumbs up and show support for my channel. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you that do that. It helps promote my channel. It helps me for growth. And it helps me to bring more cleaning motivation content to you. With that being said, I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful Labor Day.